If you've been following the same brushing routine since childhood, it might be time for a serious rethink. Your oral hygiene routine is more than just habit. It's about optimizing the health of your teeth and gums for the long run. Let's break down the ideal order for flossing, brushing, using mouthwash, and applying whitening strips to maximize their effectiveness. Start with mouthwash. Yeah, you heard it right. Mouthwash isn't just for freshening your breath. Using mouthwash first in your routine can help loosen plaque and food particles in your mouth. This is particularly effective if you use an alcohol-based mouthwash, which can break down plaque and prepare your teeth for a more thorough cleaning. However, if you're using a fluoride-based mouthwash, you might want to adjust this step. The key difference between these types of mouthwash is that alcohol-based options do more of the dirty work in terms of cleaning, while fluoride-based mouthwashes focus on strengthening the enamel. If your mouthwash is alcohol-based, use it before brushing. If it's fluoride-based, use it after brushing. Flossing comes next. Once you've rinsed with mouthwash, it's time to floss. Flossing after using mouthwash ensures you are clearing out the loosened particles and plaque that may be hiding between your teeth. Essentially, flossing removes what mouthwash loosens and what your toothbrush can't reach. It prevents the formation of cavities and helps maintain healthy gums, which are just as important as the teeth themselves. Brush your teeth, but don't rinse with water. Brushing is the cornerstone of oral hygiene, but there's more to it than just scrubbing for 2 minutes. Here's where the common misconception lies. You shouldn't rinse with water after brushing. Many of us have been taught to brush and then rinse out our mouths with water, but this actually reduces the effectiveness of fluoride in the toothpaste. Fluoride is essential for strengthening tooth enamel and protecting against cavities. When you rinse with water, you wash away this beneficial fluoride before it can do its job. Instead, just spit out the excess toothpaste and leave the fluoride on your teeth. This is particularly beneficial if you're brushing before bed, as it gives the fluoride maximum time to work overnight. Whitening strips. Before or after brushing. The use of whitening strips can depend on the type of strips you have. Some whitening strips are meant to be applied after brushing, while others can be used without brushing first. If your whitening strips suggest applying after brushing, do so after following the step. When you apply whitening strips to clean teeth, the whitening agents work directly on the tooth surface without having to penetrate layers of plaque or food residue. This maximizes their effectiveness and ensures a more even whitening effect. Final notes on your routine. While these steps represent an ideal oral hygiene routine, consistency is key. Even if you don't follow this routine to the letter every single day, making small adjustments to how you care for your teeth can have significant long-term benefits. Dental care is not just about avoiding bad breath or cavities, it's about ensuring the health and longevity of your teeth and gums. Remember, this guide is based on general best practices. It's always a good idea to consult your dentist about the best routine for you, especially if you have specific dental concerns or use different products, like fluoride mouthwash instead of alcohol-based. Each person's dental needs are unique, and your dentist can provide tailored advice.